Let's get started. I can't wait to see who wins this 1 year month. Get set, go! Oh, miss. Oh. The rest start with a lot points and all the animal text off. Right and curly and tenderly. Speed ahead, leaving the other behind. Olivia flash button, keeping one eye in one direction, and Penny hustle a bit slower. As the rest, the animal encountered different obstacles. A river that obeys and a hill, and Carlin rests but Rex soon gets distracted and stops below some grass. Carlin determined tries to leap over the snake by stumbles.
Delicate, I am so fast I can take a break.
You all have to trust it.
A word drop is strength in word in my tribe.
As the finish line, that is perfect but tired. It is running fast as close some after his stumble. And Greg as mother up is still dead.
I have too much grass. I'm getting red, but I'm still in the net. You're slow. I won't take me.
Remember, the rest is not.
I'm almost there. But I need strong strength.
Is anyone? Let's know who will win. Finish, please. Finish.
I didn't. It wasn't in my mistake.
Well done, Greg.
I can believe it. I was ahead, but I guess I learned my lesson. Speed isn't everything. You were right. I'm slowing myself.
Was amazing. Was amazing. The winner is but Greg the winner.
Thanks everyone. This band is great and we all have a job. It's true. Regret is not always about is the masters.
At the last moment, as they reach the finish line, Greg crosses his first, followed by Colin, who is too tired to keep up the pace, and Ray, who finally picked up the pace that is too late.